What's up guys? Let's bake this web of nodes to a single diffuse texture.
Welcome to Digital Impostor.
First, let's go to render properties over here, okay? In render engine, let's switch from Eevee to cycles, okay? In device, you can see I have CPU. If your graphic card is supported by Blender, you can switch from CPU to GPU compute, okay? Let's go to sampling tab. Here, where is render? Right now I have 128, but you can type whatever number you want. But remember, you will give more samples, rendering of texture will take more time, but will have less noise. For this video tutorial, I will switch to 8. Now you have two ways to go how to approach this problem. First, let's come here, grab this corner, and let's split this view to half, okay? Over here, let's switch to shader editor. We can see our noodles, okay? And over here, let's split this view one more time, okay? And over here, let's switch to image editor, okay? Second way, let's change our workspace to shading. Over here you can see our noodles, okay? Here is the image editor. Let's make it bigger. Remove this here. And okay, let's zoom in, Shift A. Let's type image. Over here we have, press new, name, I will call diffuse. Okay, I will switch resolution to 4K. Okay, deselect alpha and press OK. Over here, let's choose our diffuse image. Okay, let's go back to render properties. Okay, let's find bake over here, open. In bake type, choose diffuse. In influence, deselect direct and indirect because we want to bake only the color. Now select your cube. Cube is selected. Select our node, okay, this one, and press bake. And now it will take some time to bake our diffuse texture. Also, when you bake from the high poly model to low poly model, make sure you press the high poly model first and the low poly model as a second. The second model will become active. Now, in the Bake tab, find Selected to Active, mark it, open it, set the ray distance value that will work for you. I will choose 0.001 and press Bake. Also, you can use Cage. Then extrusion value, you can choose the value that is perfect for you. And here, where is the cage object, then you will choose from the list your cage. And then you will press bake. Also remember, because it's very important, when you are baking diffuse map, remember that metallic in your material has to be set to 0, otherwise your diffuse color of that material will be baked as a black color. After baking the texture is finished, you can save it. Let's go to image editor, press over here, you see image, and press save as. If you want to learn how to create cage and bake from cage, you can watch one of those two videos. Also, if you like this video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget press the notification ring bell. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.